gua au khana ip chiga tu he jing im yonga wom tip aki come on i rap come on i hip hop ki hip hop wom ho jung aki he jing im yonga dang how what up kan rus na mi retas nya tho aki henga i rap ki hip hop deman ki perlok wa ar he jing im yonga warm up oi wa kelam kiwi how wa rap penyoi ke sap wa dm henga siap halok ham do mesin gua au rap mi chaprang penyo jar jar ka sap ka phong ham ar ka tet ham ran den ki wat game gua au rap yo ki go fucking rap ay na prodi ki bon ki pedok mesin tau ong ep mho ran den i dm na mesin tas dang na tre pen chong nong rim jemo je berkat ay kam ko chem hanga ka poisa ka win ko jing im yonga hap op berkat tho kilat ka poisa ko u chem hap du ko kre chi to wom ho ran den ham do mesin Hawa tho ki surkat won pan berkat ka nya ka im lang sa lang is nyao ip ki khon ka ri ha ka wi ka berthai wi chong lang i kwa au man ko heavy jing mut kam ka wi ka berthai wi chong lang i oh no i le ma ai per hawa ka berthai ka wi don hi wi im lang i kat wai jing mut je berkat per ko no wi ha wi bo ka jing ka li em him ai wi jubab ini su hanga semen kwa akiu chem tau ong ip le di per he kin he klam he kam he jap em kam jar jar ri sawdi yo tau man iki wai to ham do jikermen jar jar ka sawd bo u blai dau champi ki jar jar jing im ham do jikermen hawa champi jing kat was nyau pi wa do jikermen bo set jing wan ko he jing im yong ki bru tau ong ip mat jing yo man ki nong job ka jing ye le ham do jikermen ay remember this one the whole life you were something in life then why you don't go and get it look at the world we live in defined by comment section surround yourselves with the people that challenge how you think not the people that nod their hand and act like they agree these people will cut you open just to watch it bleed always be yourself not the person that you pretend to be no anyone take your life but not what you believe it no don't be scared if you feel your butt failure is the best teacher on one thought is scared come go with chem hang as a man I have always had a problem with relationship but that what happened when you see the world thought a broken land mistaken you make it grow that does not mean you are friend who are you is up to you hey I waste a lot of time it's not about what people think it's how you feel inside in my life I never say yet to think my own thought